Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Coinbase app on your mobile phone. It is a very easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the App Store on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, here you will find the option of search button. Now tap on it. After tapping on it, type Coinbase just like this and search for it. Then here you can find the option of Coinbase right here. Now tap on it. Then to download the app, simply tap on to get button right here. Confirm that you want to download the app just like this. Now wait for a few minutes and your app will be downloaded. And now you can see the app has been downloaded. Now to open the app, simply tap on to open. And now you can see the app has been opened. You can also find the app on your home screen just like this. And that's it. This is how you can download the Coinbase app on your mobile phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.